Hello friends, the topic of the today's video is artificial intelligence. Now artificial intelligence, what it is meant for and how it is made, how it is working. So everything we will try to cover in this video. So artificial intelligence, it is a subsystem of the computer science concerned with the symbolic reasoning and problem solving. Now, artificial intelligence, like how the things work, we use the computer system to make those things work, and it is concerned with the symbolic reasoning because whatever instruction we are giving to the computers, it does not take in the same sense. We have to use some symbols, we have to use some codes for making the machines work. So we use or we take the help of the computers and making some codes or using some symbols so that the problem can be sorted out. Okay, like if I'm giving you a very small example, now how ATM comes to know that how money is to be deposited or withdrawn, that is with the help of the computer system. Some instructions are given to the ATM, some symbols are used, some codes are given to the ATM, only then the withdrawal or the transaction is made possible. So it has many definitions. Behavior by the machine that it performs by the human beings would be considered intelligent. Now, why we use the word intelligence? Intelligent is कि whatever work was earlier performed by the human beings, now it is now performed by the machines. We are trying to make the machines work behaviorally so that they can perform more intelligent work. Like we say, robots are there. So what those robots are doing, they are working intelligently like the human beings. The study of how to make the computers do things at which at the moment people are better. In the artificial intelligence, we make the computers to work the things like human beings. We can give the instructions, we can give the commands to the machines that at what time or how better they can perform than the machines, because human beings can be rational, can be biased at some place. But we are trying to make the computers more intelligent on some of the grounds like human beings cannot do. This is the theory of how the human mind works. We are trying to understand firstly the how human beings are working and how human beings mind can be used for the working of the machines. Now, what are the objectives of the artificial intelligence? It makes the machines smarter. The primary thing is why we are doing the artificial intelligence, because we want to make the machines more intelligent, more smarter. Understand what intelligence is, like what machines can do intelligently. That is the prime objective. More machines, more intelligent and useful, or make the machines more intelligent and successful or useful. Sign of intelligence: learn or understand from the experience. Intelligence, as the phrase is, na, experience makes the man perfect. So that is, if more and more experience is there, the learning and understanding can be there. Then make the sense out of the ambiguous situations. In the some of the situation where human minds cannot work, or we try to sort out the things in such a way that we can take some good decisions out of the uncontrollable ambiguous situations. Respond quickly to new situations. That is also one of the sign of intelligence. Use reasoning to solve the problems. Immediately you are applying some reasoning, some mind tricks to solve the problems. Apply knowledge to manipulate the environment. Symbolic processing. What that symbolic processing, as we said, we use the computers to make the things more intelligent. So AI represents knowledge as a set of symbols. As I already said, we use some symbols and then we try to represent the knowledge. Use these symbols to represent the problems and apply the various strategies and the rules to manipulate the symbols to solve the problems. Now, if a problem is there, now that problem can be sorted out with the help of the computer. You give the instructions to the computer, you make the programming, and then you try to manipulate the things. The rules are there, instructions are there with the help of the symbols, and then you try to sort out the problems of any type. Now, a symbol is the string of characters that stands for some real world concepts. Now, we use some symbols. Those symbols are for some of the real time words, real time problems, real time concepts can be there. Now, for example, like here, defective. Now, depending upon your requirement or depending upon your type of business, or you are using the business intelligence for your or artificial intelligence for your organization, you give the codes. Like here, you can see the defective can be coded for the product. Leased can be by product customer. LISP can be used. Taste or tastes good, but it can be the chocolate. So similarly, a number of symbols can be assigned and to the different types of the words or to the different types of the problems. Now, what that artificial intelligence and natural intelligence is? Now, artificial intelligence, if you are able to understand that, I'm repeating once again, that artificial intelligence is making the machines more intelligent. If more intelligent machines are there, so it would be more permanent. Like you can see now, ATMs are there. ATM is an example of your artificial intelligence. So that is more permanent. Ease of duplication and dissemination can be there. Less expensive they are, consistent and thorough, can be documented also, can execute certain tasks much faster, can perform certain tasks better than many people also, because in some situations human mind cannot work, but over there the machines can work very properly. Now, advantages of biological natural intelligence: it is truly creative, it can use the sensory inputs directly and creatively, and it can also apply the experience in the different situations also, because sometimes the machines cannot work, machine can not handle the situation diplomatically, so human minds can be there which can be used to handle some of the serious situations or the diplomatic situations also. Thank you guys. For the next video, please keep on watching this and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.